All right, let me tell you real quick how to make this tea. It is very, very easy. What you're going to do is you're going to take a quart of water, and then you're going to boil the quart of water. You are not going to put the tea bags into the quart until after the water has come to a boil, okay? So first you're going to boil your water, and then what you're going to do is you're going to cut off. I'm trying to just invite a few people as I do this. Then what you're going to do is you're going to cut off the eye. Then you're going to put the 2 tea bags that are in our original Dr. Miller's Detox Tea. You're going to drop it into the water, and then you are going to let it steep overnight. Now on the package it says here, does it say, how many hours does it say? It says 4 to 8 hours, but we just tell people let it steep overnight so you can, get all the good properties from the herbs, these 9 organic herbs, into the water. Then what you're going to do is add enough water in the morning, add enough water to make a gallon, and you're done. That's it. It's so easy. So it's not like, oh, you got to make a cup every day or 2 cups every day. You're making a gallon at a time. Then you're putting it in your refrigerator, preferably in a glass container. Those of you who know about plastics and glass, in a glass container. And then you're drinking off of it all week long. If you like it hot, then you drink it hot. If you like it cold, then you drink it cold. You can put honey in it. I would not put sugar in it because sugar depresses your immune system. Do not put it in the microwave, y'all. Do not nuke and kill all the good stuff. Just do not warm up your tea in the microwave. If you got it old school it, put that pan, that pot on the stove with that tea and just warm it up, right? You can wait that 2 minutes to get it warm. And that's what you do. It's so easy. Then you're going to drink 2 cups, 2 to 2.5 cups a day, like a cup in the morning, a cup in the during the day, and a half a cup at night. Some people just do 2 cups a day. Some do 2.5. Some people just kind of feel out what they feel their body needs. Now, will something bad happen if you drink more? Not typically. I mean, nothing bad is going to happen. I mean, it's all natural and organic, but just kind of feel your body. Some people do more. Some people drink more water with it, because let me tell you this. Oh, I love that my family, like my son, especially my youngest son, he's very health conscious. And he was like, oh my gosh, Mom, some of my friends, and then they eat all that fast food. And I asked them, when's the last time you've been to the bathroom? And they said, about 4 days. Oh my gosh, he said they don't know what they're doing to themselves, and they think that it's okay, and they don't understand that is just setting themselves up, even in their 20s, for something bad happening down the road, disease-wise, cancer and all other bad things and diseases. So I told him, I said, hey, baby, tell him, say, listen, just mathematically, think about this. If you're eating 3 meals a day and you're going to the bathroom once or none, that's like at least 2 meals a day stuck inside of you. So you got to get it out. So what this tea is going to help to do, and you're going to feel it working. It's not harsh. It's not cramping. But I mean, I can feel it working. Like when stuff is moving around, you got stuff that's encrusted in there, that's been in there for years. Don't think that you're just eating meals and all that meal is coming out. No, it's getting stuck up in pockets in your intestines, and it's staying there, and it's rotting, and it's putrefying. And you got to get it out. And you need these herbs right here. Hey, my mother's here. Hey, Ma. Hey, Ma. Mother, have you had your tea today? Answer me on here so I can know I'm holding you accountable to drinking your tea in front of everybody here on Facebook Live. Come here, Jaden. Come here. Now, if you're like the babies here, you don't need the tea. Say hi.
Hi.
Say how you doing?
Hi.
So,
how you doing?
Jaden, do you know anything about being healthy?
Yeah.
Well, tell me about being healthy. What does it take to be healthy?
Apples.
Apples, yes. What else does it take to be healthy?
Apples.
Apples, yes, baby. Get my kiss. Mwah! What else?
Oranges.
Oranges, very good. Do you eat your salad? Do you eat salad? Grandma's trying to teach you. You eat your salad, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. All right, guys. Did you just wake up from your nap?
Yeah.
Okay. See you later. Say bye to everybody.
Bye.
Say I'm healthy.
I'm healthy.
Say I'm strong.
Oh yeah.
Say I eat my vegetables.
I eat my vegetables.
Say I feel healthy.
I feel healthy.
I feel terrific.
Me, baby.
And I'm wealthy.
I love you.
Oh, Wait a minute, that's the one you need to make sure you say, and we gotta help your mindset right there. But anyway, so I just wanted to go through and tell you all how to make the tea. Get your tea. Who's ever sharing this video with you, get back with them. Become their customer. They're telling you something good, not just good. They're telling you something great. Hey Lisa. Hey Lisa, I was looking at you. I'm like, oh my God, you look so good. You look so beautiful, girl. I love you. Just your short haircut and everything. You're just awesome. So let me see. My mother says Zeke has had 2 cups. Me, not yet. Make sure you get it in. You're supposed to do your 2.5. I need you as a testimonial. I need you getting rid of some of that stuff, all that stomach, them 2 stomachs you got there hanging over, mother. I can talk to her like that because she's my mother. And because she's always said, oh, look at me. I got to get rid of this stomach. So I've given you something to get rid of this stomach. You got a husband who's helping you to eat healthy, okay? Over there in Colombia, South America. And now we got this tea in your hands to help you to detoxify not just your colon, guys, but your liver, your colon, your gallbladder, all your major organs. So, yeah, we're doing some great things. So, alrighty, I'm on my way off to a birthday party. And I will, I'm going to this vegan restaurant first called the Land of Kush in Baltimore, Mom, down on Utah Place. Y'all see my mother, she said 3 stomachs. We're going to do something about those stomachs. I'm going to make sure that daddy makes you exercise too. Because we got to have the whole picture. We got to detoxify and get the bad stuff out. Then we got to put the good stuff in. So like this. So this was my Thrive Organic Greens. Y'all, I don't just talk this stuff. I live it, okay? I'm telling you. Another reason I live is because I like feeling good. Nothing feels as good as feeling great. I'm trying to feel good all the time. I'm trying to age in reverse. I'm working on this anti-aging, and it takes nutrients. So with this Thrive Organic Greens, you just pour that into your water, and the Thrive helps to clear out your arteries. It acts like a roto-rooter to clear the plaque out of your arteries, to keep your arteries flexible, helps with blood sugar, blood pressure, inflammation in your body, helps to alkalize your body. And you guys already know, but I've been talking to y'all about the O2 drops, oxygenating your cells for years now. So, and a lot of you haven't tried it. Listen, all pain, all suffering, all disease can be traced back to a lack of oxygen at the cellular level. So, like cancer. Cancer cannot thrive in a well-oxygenated body. There's a book that says, flood your body with oxygen. There's so much power in cell oxygenation. I'm trying to tell y'all this. One day, everybody's going to know it. There are oxygen bars in other countries. Women are getting oxygen facials now. And when you get yours, you should say, oh, Boomy told me that it was the O2 drops, the oxygen that cleared up her skin. So you don't need to go and get a $100 treatment. You can just get the O2 drops and drop it on your skin like I do. And I used to have I used to have bad acne, right? Even as an adult, started just putting the O2 drops on my face. And now I used to feel like I always had to wear foundation. I never, ever wear a foundation anymore because of these O2 drops right there on my skin. It like helps to increase the blood flow and circulation, bringing the nutrients that's in your blood to your skin. It helps your complexion. I mean, it has changed things for me. I never used to get compliments on my skin. No, I always get compliments on my skin. Women spend like $400 on systems for skin enhancement products and to help them with anti-aging, and I spend $44 on this bottle. So in the morning, I'm here at the sink, I'm washing my face, and then I put the O2 drops on my face. Same product, I put in my mouth, under my tongue. Same product, and put in my eyes. Yes. People are using O2 drops in their eyes, blurred vision, cataracts, glaucoma, styes and eye infections. It's helping with all of that. It's pH balance, so it's perfectly safe for your eyes. And look at this. I gotta show y'all one more thing. Hey, Joshua, Jaden, come here real quick. Here's something else that y'all gotta understand. From the time, where you at? Come here. Baby, tell everybody, what's this right here?
O2 drops.
What is it?
O2 drops.
And what do you do with them?
Put them in your eye.
And put them out. Where else can you put them?
In your mouth.
Well, come on, let's show everybody how you do it. All right. See? Give it to your kids, y'all. Anything that has cells, hold it there, baby, before you swallow. Anything that has cells is perfectly safe for a newborn baby, okay? Because there's oxygen. Plants, people, and pets. Remember the 3 P's. Plants have cells. They need oxygen. So if you're into the pole plant thing, give it some oxygen and add it to the water. Pets. If you love your pet and your pet is getting old and can hardly walk up the stairs and doesn't want to run around anymore, has different pains, give your pet, put the O2 drops in the water bowl. And then, of course, people. We know people have cells. Now, if you don't have cells, don't use it, okay? But if you do have... if you do have cells... Wait a minute, I'm laughing because my mother said KM is going to get you. So KM is my son. Jade and Joshua's father. You're going to say, oh, you're using my kids to sell your product. No, I'm educating. I'm just educating on why people need to have their whole entire family to practice cell oxygenation. Because you should care about the health, not just you, but your family as well. Because we have too many people that's dropping dead. One of my childhood friends, 44 years old, died of a heart attack. And his funeral was just Saturday. I couldn't attend because of a financial empowerment event I was putting on. But he was in his 40s, guys. This thing is serious. Cutting and drugging is not the answer. Those prescription drugs that you or your family members are taking do not heal anything. The body heals itself with nutrition. You've got to understand. And you got to learn it. Oh, I got to go. Somebody needs me to make a call. Do a call. All right, guys. Talk to you all later. Have a great day. Share this video with somebody who needs it. If you need to reach me, 443-864-9440.